Hello, what up, peoples? I'm back again after a few days away from home. Today, I'll be showing something you all can know a little bit of things that can plant at these season. People says my mom kitchen garden, but I'll say my mom organic kitchen garden if you know what I'm saying. By looking at this, they might have sold so many and ate too. Literally, she likes to sow seeds every place where she knows it can grow up. But gradually, she lost that kind of interest cause of people's long hand behind the owner. Believe me or not, I'm praising myself that I did a good job for her, you know why, whenever the ducks lay egg. It never hatch out all well. Cause of the sitting place is not so suitable, but this time I made it perfect for the ducks to lay and to sit. Guys, just look at it, she is already seated. It's now waterproof both insides and outside, and another one just as well. My God, she also began to lay egg. Guys, I consider all this as my mom kitchen stuff. You know why? Because after all, we had everything shown as prepared and have in the kitchen. Let's go back. As can be seen from here, we had eaten so many, and some already died off due to their season. Usually she plants seasons things as the space at home is not like others that has so enough area to sow seeds and produce. Even this we're happy that my mom always gives us. There is nothing for man than to eat and drink, and provide with good thing by parents until we become parents ourselves. Like a time for everything under the heavens, she knows a time to plant, and a time to uproot the plants. After all, enjoying the fruits of all her labor is a gift of God. Folks, thank you so much for the time. We will see you in the next video. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more contents though.